we're gonna fight Melon and oh, there's an arm. Oh, my bad, bro. Oh man, now I'm gonna restart it. There, bro, no. Bakit ba ito? Bro, what? Bro, di ko... Okay, just leave it there. Today we have melon versus apple. Apple. You know what? I need to freeze this. Now, we're talking. Melon versus apple. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Let us the fight begin. Okay. Melon in the start first. And apple drop kick him. Ta! Now, and Melon counter with a headbutt. Pow! Apple had a severe damage. Oh no, and Apple can't get up. So he will get his crewmate. Bye-bye. Pew! And now his crewmate is Pumpkin. You wanna do it, Pumpkin? Now, Pumpkin drop kick him. But he misses. He missed. So Melon headbutt him again. Oh, and kick him. Pow! Oh shit! I think Pumpkin Cut could be dead because I think Melon, you got cooked. I think you need go into the jail because Pumpkin, you killed him. So bye, Pumpkin. Pew! Pew! Now we're getting corn. This is Boyka. Oh no, there is an ad. Okay, because there's an ad. I just need to skip it. Now they're gonna kill each other. Okay, strike. Okay, Melon strike first. He kicks and he missed. And he headbutt. Wow! Oh no! I think Melon. Oh no! Who did this? Oh no! So Melon. So Melon goes back. Now the triple flip. 1, 2, and 3. Oh no, I think na yung paa ni yung Melon feet just got crushed. Now it's Corn turn. And Corn did the one flip. Wow! Wow! And now he had the damage. Now he had the headbutt. Oh! Now he kicks with his broken foot. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Corn is clapping the dead man. Oh no! Melon might be cooked because he had a damage on his head. Now he launches. Pow! And pow! Oh no! Oh no! I think it's corn. Oh no! Corn backs up and he punch. Pow! And he pow! He kissed. Now he headbutt once again. Pow! Oh no! No! Get up! No! Get up! Get up! Get up! Please get up! No! Get up! Get up, nigger! Bro, please get up! Get up! Now, because he cannot get up, I'm gonna tell his friend. Okay, please recover, Melon. Just go there. And I'm gonna tell his friend that Melon can't get up. Now, we have Robot. No, Robot is pretty fast. Now, Robot is gonna headbutt. Yup, that is how Robot is. That is Robot strength. Wait. That is Robot. That is Robot. But he cannot get up. Now, I think he's unconscious or dead. So just go there. Oh shit! Oh yo! Wait, get out, bro, please. Oh, sorry, bro. Okay. And Corn tell his friend that he unconscious. But how could he tell his friend if he's unconscious? Just this is the part of the lines. Okay. Now, Cactus is gonna strike. Ah. Oh no! Whoa! 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 Yo! He killed Robot with that punch. Oh no! I need to get the Ultra Lemon. No, there we're talking, and there is an ad. See? Oh, let's go. Usually I turn my internet off, so there is no ads. Now, oh no, I think their only lasso could be dead because this is Cactus. He could be harmful. Now, the Ultra Kick. Oh shit! Now he backflip. Oh no! I think he got. Oh no! Now he kills him, but he cannot stand up. No, no, no. Okay, let's give Melon a chance and Cactus. This is the final fight. I'm gonna regen him. Wait. Regen. There you go. There you go, asshole. Yo. Bro. Now. I need this guy. There are only our last, so. There you go. Oh wait, di ko pa siya na-regrow. Wait guys. There. Okay? Regrowth. You! Finally! Okay, let's do this. Dun, 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 dun. And oh no! He got his fist! Oh no! I think he is Ganwu, by the way. I think he's Ganwu because no, just leave it. Now he kicks for the last time. Oh no, but he missed. And Melon kicks. Melon kicks. Wait, what is that? Oh. And he could be dead because of the blood. He losing lot of bloods. Now for the final blow. Oh no. No, no, no. Bro, why did you spawn a sword, bro? Bro, he could be die. Cactus could be die, bro. No, 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 no. Oh, let's go. Oh shit. Oh no. Please don't do this. Don't do this. Melon, I need to kill this. Melon is saying something. Yeah, kill him. Kill him. Kill this man. But Melon is so evil. He said, kill this. But I need to kill Melon too. Because he killed an innocent guy who only want to help his friends. So bye Melon. Last man standing is the sword. No. And just wait for the season 2. I mean episode 2. So bye guys.